Hey guys, finally got the steering wheel unwrapped. Wanted to do some up-close detailed shots. S550 did an amazing job crafting the steering wheel for me. Check out this red leather. It's so beautiful and it's got this black stitching. Really has this contrasting appeal to it. Makes the steering wheel pop. And then we got this forged carbon fiber graphite flakes. I love the shine. And overall, the steering wheel has a fairly thick feeling. It's very solid, so I have a very good grip on it right now. I really enjoy that. I'm really excited to get this on my Mustang GT, so just stay tuned watching the rest of the video and watching my installation experience, and let's have some fun. I'm very happy with the steering wheel. I think you guys are going to be very impressed how everything turned out. I love the red leather. It matches the red interior of my Mustang GT, and I've just been super obsessed with the red. The stitching looks well done, and it makes the red pop, and the carbon is just so beautiful. I love the shine, and I love the grip. I just couldn't be any more perfect. The feel of the wheel is so unique and fantastic. It is smooth, it just feels very solid, and the wheel is thicker than most steering wheels. Just love the side grooves. Definitely extra grip ring during fast turns. Driving now, I have more stability and control. I feel more of a confident driver, and it's so much better than the stock steering wheel. Personally, I love being inside the car. It's my favorite place. I love speed, and I also love luxurious vibes, and it's another reason why I purchased the steering wheel, because the performance and the looks is so important to me. So just why not make it special for you? Customizing your own vibe. S550 has solved my vision to my GT, and I'm excited to invest more, and I'm excited to drift my car in style. So thanks again for watching my video, and I hope to see you again.